So this here is a Ford something or other, a 14 or 15 F-150. This insurance claim. Keys were stolen, so they say. I took the door lock out already, like so. Now I'm just working on this ignition here. Yep. Need some parts. Tools. Let's see what we got here. I think I got all the screws out. Key I left in here somewhere.
Holy shit, it's getting warm out here. Oh, it's not bad in the shade.
No, it's not bad here.
5% of replacement cost and comes with a 5-year warranty. Get a quote today. Visit Green. When it comes to sewer problems, you have to act fast. And Mr. Rooter is faster than a speeding bullet and the competition. Extreme cold or thawing can damage sewers.
Huh. That ain't working.
Hey. Born to be a hero, trained to be a plumber.
See what I'm poking there?
Mortgages are not one size fits all. Cambrian Credit Union's expert mortgage advice helps you choose what's right for you.
Cut it
Would you
out.
like to ride the rate? We've got a mortgage for that. Prefer to set it and forget it? We've got a mortgage.
That off. So we got the ignition and the door out. Let's go look at the tailgate. I need a key for the tailgate, maybe. Let's go have a look. Of course, it's some sort of a Torx. Great. I gotta find one of those. Okay, I found it. Good enough. Good enough. Let's do this. Hopefully it's good. Could be. We'll find out. know what the hell is this stuck to. Does that just slide through here or what? What does it do? What the fuck is that thing? It doesn't look like I can pivot that thing either. Fuck, I don't want to do that. It's a different size. Can I turn it? See if I can pull this thing out. Okay, you're holding out. Jeez. Sketchy, man. Holding it up. That was that. Okay. Well, let's wait there for now. She's in there. Clip went flying too. No. Oh, you're kidding me. Hopefully it has to come out. Got it out. Works too. So we're gonna change this to a different key. Come with me. Let's go have a look. Look at that mess. Freaking explosion. Need more locks. So there we go. That's pretty solid on there. It's moving a little bit now. I need a little wire brush. That would be nice. I got something here. Something. That'll be that. See if I can't get this off now. What can I shove in there? This is pretty thin, kind of. At least I got it to move. That's what I wanted. Now I can get something else in there and just move those things out of the way. Like that. Kind of. It's going. Sort of. How can I do this here? Maybe this will work. Turn it to see one side a little bit. bastard. Uh-oh. Where was that one right there? Right there, right there. So all I'm trying to do is get these to move out of the way. Sorry, fudge. Anyway. That one. Now, if I got this, stuck this in here. I think there's a lot of crud on here too. There might be lots of shit in there. I got a better frickin' tool than that. I know I do. I just had it in my hand too. Maybe I left it in the truck. Yes, it is. Yes. So I took one of these broken picks. Took this one. Filed it right down. Grinder or whatever I did, but that should get right in there. It's doing it. It's going now. Nice. Saved myself a little bit of time with that doohickey. Just door lock. Door lock. This can go. Make a new pile of junk over here. Slide that in there now. Yep. Yep. Saved myself a ton of time on that one. How nice is that? This, I think that cap has to come off of there. We'll find out. I'm gonna try and pick this anyways and see if I get it to move around and slide out the back here. It's turned. So through the front, by the looks of it, quite all right. This little tool will do the same job here. You don't want to be prying up on this piece here. You're better off just trying to smack it off through here, because as soon as you pull on this stuff, you're going to start denting it and bending it. And then it ain't going to look nice. It ain't going to be pretty after that. So. Okay, goes off. It's off. spot there. Well, of course, this is locked now. Great. So undo that then. Don't squeeze it too hard. You want this thing to move. See, I'm just letting the vice rest. It's already grabbing it. Oh, I see why. Okay, that's why. There we go. Pushes through. She's out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're missing the number 2 wafer. Duh. Perfect. Perfect. So John's gonna want a key code. Definitely. I have keys. I'm gonna give him a key code. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 maybe. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Come on. 1. 1, 3, 3. 1, 3, 3. 1, 3. 32, this thing looks, jeez. Sorry about that, man, because, you know what, not paying attention. Lots of lint coming out of there. So that's 3, 3. So it's gonna go 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 2, 4. 5, 4, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, 3. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 3. So the next one I'm going to say is a 5, 4, something or other. 5, 4, 2. This is a 5. This is a 4, I hope, I think. It's a 4, yeah. She's a 4. And then 2, I said, maybe. It's a deuce. Oh. And then 2, 4, or 2, 3 at the end. It's a 4. Oops. So that's what I have there. This door lock. Driver's door. This pin came out. Drivers should be 1, 3, 3, 3. 3. 3. 2. 3, 5, 5, 4. That's that one. That's that one. Trunk, deck block, tailgate. Same as the door, imagine. 1, 3, 3, 3, 3. Five, 5, 4. That's that. For right now, I guess. Now, what do I need to do? I need to make a key. Or do I have keys? Give me 1 second. I'm gonna have to quick look. Sorted out a bunch of shit. So I have a key I can use. This is 24341134. Good enough. See if it's right first. See if I read that key properly. Two, 4. Two, 4. Oh, maybe it starts there. That's quite possible. Oh, this is worse when I turn it over. That doesn't look right. I'm not using this key. I don't like it. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Nope. This one's been around for a while. Same deal. Okay. I'm just gonna jumble these up. I think. See if I can come up with a key code. And that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna end the video here, I guess, because yeah, as far as I can go so far with no, it's all I can go. I fucking forgot my computer at home. Fuck. Fuck's sakes. I can't even cut a fucking key. What's this one? This is all ones. That's all chewed up. I can't even cut a frickin' key, man. Son of a bitch. That's it. Done.